depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Alright, so the one word that you really need is the word chase. Chase o magpahabol. Yun lang. There's no such word na aakma to manipulate your ex aside from this word, chase. Kailangan niyang humabol sa'yo. Right? Kasi kapag hindi siya humabol sa'yo, I will give you 100% negative chances na negative 100% na sumunod siya sa mga gusto nyo. Always remember this, guys. Hindi mo mamamanipula ang isang tao kung ang basihan mo lamang ay magandang attitude or something like that. You cannot manipulate someone na hindi naghahabol sa'yo. As long as ikaw ang naghahabol sa kanya, sinyalis siya na walang pag-asa kahit konti na mamanipula mo ang isang tao. Kahit tignan natin siya sa ibang bagay, right? Kahit sa trabaho, bakit minsan ang boss natin ay masyadong manipulative? At namamanipula tayo paminsan-minsan sa mga may-ari ng kumpanya or sa mga boss. The reason is because we need something. We want something sa kanila na maibibigay nila like promotion or sa salary. At may tendency na kapag hindi natin sila sinunod ay sibakin nila tayo sa trabaho. Kaya minsan kapag nagre-reklamo tayo, ayaw nating sabihin ng direkta sa kanila kasi meron silang hinahawakan na something against us. So, sa batas ng kumpanya o sa batas ng trabaho, dahil ikaw ang naghahabol, ikaw ang may kailangan, ikaw ang mag-submit, ikaw ang magpamanipula. So, if you want to control your ex's mind, then there's no other, wala tayong ibang paraan but to be chased. Kailangan natin magpahabol. And the very question today is, paano ba magpapahabol kay ex? Okay, I will give you the simple technique para habulin ka ng ex mo, okay? So this is just so simple. Meron tayong dalawang words na kailangan tandaan. Ito yung salitang dumpy at yung salitang dumper. Anong pinag-iba ng dumpy sa dumper? Ang dumpy, yun yung iniwan or yun yung pinabayaan, yun yung nakawawa. Siya yung dumpy. Yun naman dumper, yun yung nang iwan, yung nangawawa o siya yung siya yung gumawa ng bagay na hindi maganda sa ex niya. And if you will ask me, ano ang posisyon mo ngayon? Mataas ang tendency na dumpy ka. Kaya nanonood ka ng mga ganitong videos. Kasi yung mga dumper, madalas hindi nanonood ng mga ganito eh. Kasi hindi sila desperado kagaya mo. They're not desperate. They're not, they don't give a shit about this video because they don't need this. Why? Kasi nga dumper sila. They don't need something like ganitong advice. Ikaw yung nangangailangan ng ganitong advice. Kasi ikaw yung iniwan. Ikaw yung nasaktan. Ikaw yung naghahabol. Alam mo ba na ang dumpy at dumper ay isang terminology lamang? You know what? Ang mindset mo ngayon ay mindset ng isang dumpy. Pero I will give you a good news. Sa psychology, kahit ikaw ang iniwan, pwede kang magkaroon ng mindset ng dumper. Okay, I will tell you this. Sa psychology, kahit ikaw ang iniwan, pwede kang magkaroon ng mindset ng dumper. To manipulate your ex, all you need to do is to change your position from being dumpy to being dumper. I don't care kung ikaw ang iniwan. Wala akong pakialam kung ikaw ang nasaktan, kung ikaw ang naghahabol. Just change the position. All you need to do is to change the board game. Flip the board game. Turn the table favorably on your side. That is the only one thing that you should need to do. Change your position. From being dumpy to being dumper. Kahit ikaw ang iniwan, ikaw ang niloko, ikaw ang sinaktan, I don't care. I'm going to tell you this as Coach Baze. You cannot, hindi mo makokontrol lang isip ng ex mo if you will not change your mindset. You should be the dumper now. As of today, declare it sa sarili mo na you will be the dumper. At kapag ikaw ang dumper, of course, siya ang magiging dumpy. Siya ang maghahabol. If you want to change the dynamic, kailangan mo lang maging matigas ang puso mo. Kailangan mo maging strong, kagaya ng pagiging strong niya. Don't give a shit about her. Gaya ng pagbibigay niya ng nothing sa'yo. Like, don't give the attention that she wants or he wants, like what she's doing. She doesn't give or he doesn't give attention sa'yo. Right? And that's the secret of it. If you want to manipulate your ex's mind, then, all you need to do is just to be the dumper. Kailangan mo maging dumper. Dahil kapag hindi ka naging dumper, wala tayong chance na mamanipula ang ex natin. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa akin na, Coach, ako yung iniwan eh. Ako yung dinump. So, kung ako iniwan, imposibleng maging dumper ako, right? No. Wala kang magiging kasalanan sa batas ng Pilipinas at hindi ka makakasuhan kapag pinalitan mo yung mindset mo. Kapag inari mo o inangkin mo yung pagiging dumper position. 2 positions lang yan pag sa breakup, okay? Isang dumpy at isang dumper. At wag kang pupunta sa dumpy position. Dahil kapag nasa dumpy position ka, wala kang pag-asa doon, men. Sisiguraduhin ko sa'yo na kawawa ka doon sa position na yun. All you need to do is to jump from the dumpy, go dun ka sa pagiging dumper. Dapat ikaw yung nagiging dumper. Okay, medyo paulit-ulit na ako but I think nagets mo naman yung tinutukoy ko, right? And kapag naging dumper ka, no contact rule is a very brilliant strategy but at the end of the day, kung hindi ka hinahabol or kung hindi ka hahabulin ng ex mo, hindi mo rin siya mamamanipula. So, kung wala kayong dumper mindset, wala rin kwenta yung no contact rule. I think pwede bang wag na no contact rule? Pwede bang just don't give a shit na lang? Okay? Ang no contact rule kasi isa lang tong psychological technique. And ang mahirap kapag nag-no contact rule ka minsan, nag-e-expect ka kasi alam mo nasa rule ka eh. So, para maiwasan yung expectation, alisin mo na yung no contact mindset. Just don't give a shit na lang. If you don't give a shit, then you don't need to talk to them. You don't need to reach them out. You don't need to think of them. You don't need to spend your time wondering, dreaming about them. Come on. You don't need to do that, right? So, siguro, sama ko na rin sa advice ko. Don't do the no contact rule. Just don't give a shit. That's all. If you don't give a shit, then, they will expect something from you like, ay, nako, itong ex ko, mahal na mahal ako, etc., etc., klabu, blah, 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 blah. They're expecting something from you, but they will never, ever see it. Why? The reason is because you don't give a shit. That's all. I'm teaching a lot of clients na, and I'm also telling them that they need to do no contact rule. And then after 30 days, they're very frustrated. Bakit hindi pa rin nagre-reach out? Oh, I see. What's the problem? The problem is the no contact rule mindset. If you want to manipulate your ex's mind, if you want to control them, if you want to get them back, which is, I don't think so. Come on, don't give a shit. Having the dumper mindset is so much important. Change your position. Huwag ka dun sa baba, dun ka sa taas. There are 2 positions pagdating sa breakup. Don't win your ex, just win the breakup. That's it. Change the position, be the dumper. And let them chase you. That's the one word. That is the one word. Let them chase you. Chase. 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 At kapag hinabol ka, you can manipulate them all day long.